Welcome to this video, where I will guide you on how to give Dropbox access to your contacts on an Android phone. If you want to sync your contacts or share files more easily using Dropbox, enabling the contacts permission is essential. In this tutorial, I will walk you through the process. First, locate the Dropbox app icon on your phone. Next, press and hold the app icon for a few seconds until a menu appears. Then, tap on the option that says App Info. This will take you to the App Settings page. After that, look for the Permissions section and tap on it. Here you will see the different permissions the app. Scroll down until you find Contacts in the list of permissions, and tap on it. After that, choose Allow to give Dropbox permission to access your contacts. This enables Dropbox to use your contacts for sharing and other features smoothly. Finally, you can exit the settings and open Dropbox normally. Now your contacts are linked with the app, and you can enjoy better integration and sharing options. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other helpful tutorials.